Today, we have an exciting roundup of 30 minimalist living hacks from our forebears that we can apply to our modern lives. Hack 1. Practice conscious consumption. It's about making intentional and thoughtful purchases, buying less but of better quality. Remember, every purchase is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. Hack 2. Embrace the tradition of starting a vegetable garden. There's something incredibly fulfilling and sustainable about growing your own food. Plus, you can't get fresher produce than from your backyard. Hack 3. Emulate our ancestors by repurposing old clothes. Turn t-shirts into cleaning rags, patch up worn-out jeans, or transform old dresses into beautiful quilts. This practice is both creative and a great way to reduce waste. Hack 4. Equip yourself with basic repair skills. The ability to fix things around your home not only saves money, but also nurtures a sense of independence and capability. It's a valuable life skill that our ancestors relied on daily. Hack 5. Let's revisit the concept of multifunctional furniture. Back when homes were smaller and rooms needed to serve multiple purposes, furniture that could transform was crucial. A trunk that serves as a coffee table, a sofa that turns into a bed. These choices can save space and resources. Hack 6. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. A heart full of gratitude leaves less room for unnecessary wants. It fosters contentment and happiness with what we have. Hack 7. Simplify your meals. Not every meal needs to be a culinary masterpiece. Our ancestors often had simple, wholesome meals that were still delicious and satisfying. And honestly, sometimes a bowl of homemade soup is exactly what the soul needs. Hack 8. Limit your screen time. Reducing digital consumption not only creates more time for real-life experiences, but also lessens the stress and distractions that can come from constant connectivity. Hack 9. Embrace natural beauty. Our grandmothers didn't have shelves full of beauty products. They relied on simple, natural remedies. Olive oil as a moisturizer, sugar as a body scrub, these items are not only effective, but also devoid of harmful chemicals. Hack 10. Create a capsule wardrobe. The concept encourages you to have fewer but more versatile pieces in your closet. Each item is well-loved and frequently worn. It reduces decision fatigue and makes organizing your wardrobe a breeze. Hack 11. Try bartering or swapping items. This is not only a great way to clutter, but also a way to acquire what you need. Plus, it's a fantastic way to strengthen community bonds. Hack 12. Utilize your local library. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. Our grandparents knew the value of a good library. Full of books, movies, music, and often even tools, libraries are a goldmine for a minimalist lifestyle. Hack 13. Enjoy the simple pleasures in life. This is a wonderful way to ground yourself and find joy in the everyday. Something as simple as a sunrise, a good book, or a cup of hot tea can be deeply satisfying. Hack 14. Be mindful of advertisements. They are designed to make you crave more, to make you feel incomplete without the latest gadget or fashion. Remember, advertisers are rarely looking out for your best interests. Hack 15. Our ancestors lived by the motto, use it up, wear it out, make it do, or do without. It's a mantra that perfectly encapsulates the philosophy of minimalist living. Hack 16. Learn to sew. Knowing how to mend a tear or even create your own clothes can save money, reduce waste, and is a skill that will always come in handy. Hack 17. Cook from scratch. Home-cooked meals are often healthier, cheaper, and there's a unique satisfaction in enjoying something you've made yourself. Hack 18. Collect memories, not things. Instead of amassing physical items, focus on creating beautiful memories and experiences. These will bring you long-term happiness. Hack 19. Declutter regularly. Our ancestors did not have the luxury of clutter. They often lived in smaller spaces and had fewer possessions. Regularly assess your belongings and let go of what you no longer need or love. Hack 20. Bring back handwritten letters. It's more personal, intentional, and requires no electricity. Plus, everyone loves getting a letter in the mail. Hack 21. Switch to cloth napkins. They're reusable, eco-friendly, and bring a touch of elegance to your dining table. Hack 22. Implement zero-waste strategies. Aim to generate as little waste as possible. Compost, recycle, and choose package-free options when possible. Hack 23. Borrow before buying. If you need something temporarily, try borrowing it from a friend, neighbor, or a sharing platform before purchasing it. Hack 24. Reduce cosmetic products. Choose multi-purpose products to reduce clutter and waste. Coconut oil, for example, can be used as a moisturizer, hair mask, and cooking oil. Hack 25. Walk more. It's an excellent way to stay healthy, reduce carbon emissions, and gives you time to appreciate the beauty around you. Hack 26. Make homemade gifts. They're thoughtful, unique, and help prevent unnecessary consumption. Plus, who doesn't love a gift made with love? Hack 27. Air dry your clothes. It's gentler on your clothes and conserves energy. Plus, nothing beats the smell of clothes fresh from the outdoors. Hack 28. Shop secondhand. You can find unique items. It's more affordable, and it keeps perfectly good items out of landfills. Hack 29. Use natural cleaning products. Vinegar, baking soda, and lemon can tackle most household cleaning tasks and are non-toxic. And finally, Hack 30. Embrace silence. There's a tranquility in silence that's often overlooked in our noisy world. Take time each day to enjoy moments of quiet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more minimalist living tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and embrace the beauty of simplicity.